Last rule. In rule number 6, this is talking about determination of subheading, etc. Etc. means subheading or subheading, how those will be classified. So again, taking you to rule number 6. So here we have rule number 6. What it says. For legal purpose, the classification of goods in the subheading of a heading shall be determined according to the terms of those subheading and the related subheading notes, mutuus mutandis to the above rules, on the understanding that subheading at the same level are comparable. For the purpose of this rule, relative section chapter notes also apply unless context require otherwise. What does it mean? This simply says, same principle as contained under rule 1 to rule number 5. Same are applicable for determination of subheadings also. Means whether there is explanatory notes or there is the principle given. So whatever is up there, the same thing will apply for determination of subheading also. So rule number 6 does not go beyond that.